Hello, welcome to the time interrupt ESP32 program. Okay, now we are going to tell what is the use of timer interrupt. In case we use delay like this line, delay 1000 milliseconds. What is the use of this one? Is like it is delay the program for 1 second. What happens is like it is stop the function of the program for 1 second. If we write for 1000 seconds, the entire program will be stuck at 10 seconds. But what happens if it is in single program use, it is okay, no problem. But we write multiple programs in a ESP32 and some project. What happens then? Like what happens is like if you write delay option, it will also stop other programs like running. If like a Wi-Fi snipping, Wi-Fi scanning, if it stop for 10 seconds, what happens? So it is not a reliable option, right? So instead of writing delay, we write timer interrupt. Now I explain timer interrupt. Okay, we are writing now. We are taking as pin number 17 for using LED is interrupt is happening or not. Okay, for state of the LED, I am initially stating low, and present time I will record a present time as a 0 initial time. Okay, and what is my initial time? It is requirement is 1 second, right? If we want 10,000 like 10 seconds, 10,000 milliseconds equal 10 seconds. Okay, we can write this one to interrupt happen. Yeah, everything I've written in a long constant. Okay, this does not need to change, this need to change. Okay, now what I'm going to do, like I set up pin mode, LED pin, it is output mode. Okay, now while loop, what happens is like in loop program, it is first record the present Arduino time using millisecond function into current millisecond. In this option, it will checks if current milliseconds minus previous milliseconds. What is the previous milliseconds? 0. What is the current milliseconds? If it is 500 milliseconds, let's suppose 500 milliseconds. 500 minus 0, 500. Is 500 milliseconds greater than interval? What is the interval? It is 1000 milliseconds. Is greater than? No, wrong. So what happens is like it skips the option and go for and print the option digital, right? LED pin, LED state, LED pin 17, LED state is low. Okay, initial state low. Okay, next what happens like if current milliseconds is 1000 milliseconds, previous milliseconds is 0 milliseconds. What happens is like 1000 is greater than or equal to interval, right? It is function is satisfied, so it will go, and present time will be stored in previous milliseconds. After that, if LED is in low state, it becomes high. If it is in high state, it is becomes low. Okay, what happens is like every 1 second the LED will be blinking. That is the main goal of our program. Now I will upload the program to ESP32. Now I am uploading. Compiling sketch it is right now. Okay, now it's starting how the timer interrupt is happening. Now it's in the sketch is uploading to the ESP32 right now. Program is uploading. Yeah, it's now done. See, that means high and low, high and low. For the differences, I write 5,000 milliseconds. Okay, right now I want 5 seconds off and 5 seconds on. Okay, I will upload the program right now. It is present 1 second on, 1 second off. Yeah, now it's connected to ESP32. It's uploading right now. Yeah, it's done right now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still turned on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's turned on. The program is successfully done. Thank you for watching.